everyone, I'm Marianna and welcome to my channel. Today I'm introducing something that's been in the works for a while now. It's the 20 days knitting challenge for beginners. This challenge is designed to guide you step by step through learning how to knit, building your confidence and skills in just 28 days. Whether you never pick up your needles before or you're looking to just refresh your basics, this is the perfect opportunity to dive into the world of knitting. By the end of this challenge, you'll have not only set a set of finished projects to be proud of course, but also the confidence to tackle more advanced knitting projects. To make it easy, I've designed every lesson to be like bite-sized, about 10 to 15 minutes of learning and practice. You don't need to dedicate hours to knit. It's okay if you want to, but just a little time each day is more than enough to build your skills. Okay, so let's explore what's in store together. The 20-day knitting challenge for beginners is all about learning, gradual learning, and keeping the lessons fun, manageable, and engaging. Each week builds on the last, so you will never feel like overwhelmed. By following along, you'll master essential techniques and you create a variety of projects to show off your progress. Yes, you can jump in at your own pace, but I recommend starting with day one and following along. If you want to skip a day, if you remember, if you already know, that's totally fine with me. The lesson builds on each other, so you feel like you're making real progress every single way without getting so frustrated that you cannot keep on. This challenge is not just about how to knit. It's not just learning. I hope that will be about creating something meaningful and finding joy in the process. Knitting is such a beautiful way to slow down, to express your creativity and make things with your own hands. And the best part, you'll have me right here with you. I'll guide you through every single stitch. And if this sounds like the perfect way to kickstart your knitting journey, just make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I cannot wait to see what you create. Happy knitting!